Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 22, 2025, Sunday Racing. Ngayong araw ng linggo ay Family Day. Happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, marapatin po natin the family that prays together, stay together. Ngayong pong araw ng linggo, meron po tayong 10 races. At sa 10 races, meron 3 race na tigi 1 milya. 1,600, ito yung race 2, race 3, at doon sa likod, pagtalikod ng ating mga programa, yung unang karera doon, race 5, 1,600 po. At yung natitirang 7 karera pa ay pawang 1,400 meter distance. At muli, katulad ng Sabado, no bearing, no effect. Ngayong araw ng linggo, gaganapin ang 2025 Veracom Special Invitational Race. Ito ay nasa race 2. At ang 2025 Veracom Grand Copa de Manila. At ito ay nasa race 3. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng linggo, 2 p.m. Alas 2 ng hapon. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Harinawa po, matapat. Race 1, first pick 6 covers races 1 to 6. Meron po itong Pentapecta at Super 6 event. Sa race 1, first choice natin, number 5, Bad Boy MJ. Second choice, number 11, Bada Bing. Third choice, number 2, for a surprise win, Ginger Cat. Race 2, first winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. Ito yung 2025 Veracom Special Invitational Race, 1 milya. First choice, number 7, Andiamo Aperinse. Pawang imported po pala itong race 2. Second choice, number 6, Sherbet Fountain. Third choice, number 1, Barati. Tumako tayo sa race 3. First pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Another 1 mile distance. Ito po ang 2025 Veracom Grand Copa de Manila. First choice, number 7, Jungkook. Gusto ko na po sanang only choice, pero naghanap po ako. Baka magkaroon ng surprise win dito. Second choice, number 1, Don Julio. Race 4, second winner take all, covers races 4 to 10. Pangalawang winner take all. Sa race 4, first choice natin, number 9, Guerrero Warriors. Paumento ng paumento kung inyo pong na-notice at nabigyan ng pansin. Second choice, number 11, nagbabalik. Galing sa pahinga, Stay Pani. Third choice, number 2, Pig Battle. Ngayon sa race 5, first choice, number 8, Birdstone. Second choice, number 7, Caligan. Dito sa race 6, second pick 5 covers races 6 to 10. First choice number 4, galing sa panalo, Basket of Gold. Second choice number 3, Sky Story. Third choice number 2, Border Force. Dito sa race 7, first choice natin, number 9, Deputy Mischief. Second choice, number 7, Longevity. Sa race 8, first choice and only choice na natin, number 5, California King. Race 9, first choice, number 12, Batang Kangkalu. Meron po itong pentapekta. Second choice, number 8, Bukawe, Rivertown. Tumako na tayo sa last race, paratingan. Race na may Super 6. Kung hindi ko nabanggit, yung race 6 po pala, merong Super 6. First choice natin sa last race 10, number 12, Danish Sun. Second choice, number 11, Live Like an Angel. Third choice, number 9, Be Fit and Fabulous.
God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you.